Imagine if tomorrow morning, you wake up, and the earth is completely frozen. No trees, no oceans flowing, no life. Temperature everywhere is below -18 degrees Celsius. It sounds scary, but here is something surprising. Without greenhouse effect, this would actually happen. So if the greenhouse effect protects life, then why do we hear that it is dangerous? Is it good, or is it destroying our planet? Let's understand the greenhouse effect in the simplest way. Everything starts with the sun. The sun sends energy to the earth in the form of light. This sunlight travels through space and reaches our planet. Some of the sunlight is reflected back into space, but most of it is absorbed by the Earth's surface. When Earth absorbs sunlight, it becomes warm. When Earth becomes warm, it does not keep all that heat. It sends some of the heat back into space in the form of infrared radiation. If all that heat escaped into space, our planet would become extremely cold. In our atmosphere, there are some gases, like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. These gases are called greenhouse gases. These gases have a special chemical property. They can absorb infrared radiation and send some of that heat back toward Earth. Because of these greenhouse gases, the Earth stays warm, and the process is called greenhouse effect. So the greenhouse effect is not bad. It is beneficial for life on Earth. Why is it called greenhouse effect? A greenhouse is a glass house where plants are grown. Sunlight enters through the glass. The inside becomes warm. The heat cannot escape easily because the glass traps it. In the same way, greenhouse gases act like a glass roof of a greenhouse. They allow sunlight to enter, but they trap some of the heat inside. That is why it is called the greenhouse effect. How does greenhouse effect causes global warming? The greenhouse effect is natural and beneficial, but humans are increasing it too much. When we burn fossil fuels and forests are cut down, the concentration of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere increased. More gases means more heat is trapped. And when more heat is trapped, the Earth's temperature slowly rises. This increase in temperature is called global warming. So global warming is the result of too much greenhouse effect. What are the effects of global warming? As greenhouse gases increases, many changes happen. Glaciers start melting. Ice at the north and south poles melts. When ice melts, sea levels rise. This can cause flooding in coastal areas. Weather becomes more extreme. Heat waves become stronger. Some places get more drought, more heavy rain. Animals lose their habitats. Slowly ecosystems begin to change. All because we increased the natural balance. If this lesson helped you, press like and subscribe. Watch the next video and continue learning.